fresh imports. What on earth?
I can't do it.
Has neons. Hi, I'm Adam C and welcome to Reading Japanese Meat. We've got our McDonald's and we're going to capture the cars arriving at the meet, so enjoy! What have we here now? I just see white and it is it's a DC2, I think, with a wide body kit. Oh, the police are coming already. Blues and the twos are on. We've got a Starless as well. And tonight I am sporting my Lord timepiece, who have once again sponsored this video to get you 10% off with Adam 10. Follow the link in the description below. It's a Z! Someone's here to make noises. What the hell is this? Come on, I'm mid-dip. Oh wow, the MX-5s have all arrived. Got the Mark 4, Mark 2s, Mark 1s. They slid. Oh, there's loads. There's loads of them. Off his brakes. Well, this is more like it. We've got an R33. Oh, everyone loves a white chaser. That just came out of nowhere. 33. Check out this F13. There's a Mustang here. I mean, it's not Japanese, but I love it. It's blue, we've got the Laurel behind it, and a purple Z. That sounded alright. Z. There's a green Sora coming in. V8, 1UZ. Oh, another V8. We have a 206 getting the race line round the roundabout, getting ready for the flyby. There it goes, the fastest acceleration of the day. It's 3 miles an hour here. Tonight is the night of the MX-5, it seems. Okay. Another Sora. It was another V8. MX-5 takeover, 2K21 and another S14. Noisy MX-5s? He thinks he's on a track day in the city. Cool. So I think this is MX-5 number 1001 coming around the corner. See. Oh my god! Evo Duo. Oh. That was an evolution of evolutions. Ah! It's a Supra. Oh, someone's got a horn. That was squeaky. There's an Escort Cosworth. Random. Ah, and a Datsun. We have another Evo and MX-5 number 2,590,003 coming around with a 190E as well. Oh. It's mostly Japanese cars, but there's a few other car meet regulars turning up, including the Focus coming through with the green wheels. It's loud it's purple, it's an ST. Here it goes. There they are. Oh, it's Boris. We got a Celica, a CRX, and an S2000. I'm liking that. Oh my, it's a white chaser. That's what everyone loves. And from white chaser, we now have a white Supra coming into the meet. Lovely. We have a red Z coming in with black parts. And a red Mr. 2 who's half asleep or half awake. Hello. What are we on now? Like 25,000,006 turbo. Oh, the first S15 of the day gliding through. That was quick. So see. There are quite a few S14s here today. I mean, I'm not complaining. Oh, the Merc looks nice. We've got this one in green again. Ah, there's a Z, and there's another Z. Noisy. Even more MX-5s. They are everywhere. I suppose we are in British summertime. S13. Pop-ups are up on the S13. Now this guy's been doing laps back and forwards. Let's see what he's got for us this time. And acceleration. Ah, a white chaser. I don't know if this is already being passed or not. I'm not great at recognising them. They're all the same spec tonight. 3 white chasers, but maybe only 2. He's going that way. I can hear the distinctive noise of a 1J, presuming it is the chaser. Yes, it is. Welcome. RS and another Merc. So I'd say most of them have come in now, so we're going to have a little look around in the show. So the atmosphere is buzzing as ever, and MX-5s are everywhere. And the S15 is stance parked over 2 spaces, but there are loads to pick from. The Mr. 2 is behind the bin, and the Nissan is involved in the meet because it's a Jap show, you see, so no Germans. So this is the Nissan A3. It's funny. And there's an EP3 with a spoiler. Noises are being made. There you go. What do you think of this in green? Got a green S14 in the end of this row and a green S14 on the end of that one. Moves are high, the sky looks nice, chasers are out. And this MX-5 has some unusually placed vents to suggest maybe some forced induction and a speedster style roof. Here is another one of the stories with the clan of MX-5s, some happier than others. And here's the little yellow one that escaped us on the roundabout. Orangey yellow. And here is the Mustang that's involved in the meet, sitting pretty. Here's a question, why has this Mini got an MX-5 bumper inside it? This one's new to me, I think it's a fresh import, apparently a Toyota Mark X.
San, that's all I know.
San?
San.
I can't read any of it. Yeah, I haven't seen one of these before. Someone's being killed. Is there a shooting range? I've no idea what car this is. What on earth is this? I'm not going to run. I'm going to walk at a fast pace. We've got a K20 Exige Series 2 and the Fiesta with the Escort Cosworth. The Range Rover with the gold wheels parking up next to Boris the Micro, which is now out of shot. What on earth was it? The crowd is around here. Could have been the Lexus? No. Could have been the ST. Oh, I think it was an R34. I think it was this. Tell you what, I'm going to lose my hearing at 30.
You okay?
Yeah, no. So other cars are trying to pop and bang and fit in with the Tommy Cara RF34. There's some Audis cruising by. He's off camping with his roof box. Oh, it's a white chaser and it has neons. You can just about tell. Check this section out. We've got the S13, PS13, S14, Zenki, and a kooky S14 behind that, and then just this Honda bang smack in the middle. We have some chaser vibes on this E36. Look, it's got Haman badge. Is this an official Haman body kit for an E36? So there goes the mystery mobile, the Toyota Mark X. The R34 is still popping. Oh no, it's something else now, I think. Good vibes, good vibes. I think it's GTRs making their arrival known. They're rolling through, popping and banging. Someone's got a megaphone. He's got a megaphone.
No hazard light.
No hazard light. What?
Adam!
Hello!
Hello, how are you?
All good? But how lovely is it to have evening meets back on once again, especially in weather just like this. Oh, S15's doing some flames now. Oh, that was a big one. Yeah, well, we'll leave him to it. I think we're going to head to the exit. So I did go to the exit to film the cars leaving, but that will be in a separate video. As you'll notice, it's dark now, so they were the cars arriving at Reading Japanese meet, and within the show you might want to check out the cars leaving, so keep your eyes peeled. But I hope you enjoyed that video. Go follow me on Instagram for the daily updates and highlights about these things that I do. But for now, thanks for watching.